A warm welcome and good evening to all of you. So, here in today's session in Excel, we are going to talk about one of a very powerful tool which is added and a gift from Microsoft because it is free. Okay. In today's session, we are going to have a glimpse of entire understanding of Power Query. I know many of you work with Excel extensively or a bit of it. But yes, Power Query is something interesting, it's something very useful, and it can increase the productivity and reduce the time required to mold the data. So first of all, I have this data, okay? And whenever we want to deal with Power Query, we must have it in form of a table. That's very important, okay? Or maybe it can be in any other source. So the data can come from various sources. What are the sources available? We go to Data tab and you can see Get Data. So you can pull the data from any external file, and not necessarily it has to be an Excel file. You can see these are the possibilities. So like some people work with XML, they are the developers. They work with JSON files. So you can use this. But if you say you are not a developer, you are not okay handling those kind of tasks, you just simply work with Excel. So you can use Excel file. So for everybody it is available, but one person will not do everything. Understand the difference. So if you are an admin, you are a developer, okay, you can always get the data from Access or SQL or from SQL Server Analysis Services, okay, which is called as SSAS. If you don't know anything about it, no problem. It's not your domain. From Azure, if you handle it from the Azure, okay. Now from other sources, when we talk about other sources, these are the other sources you can get the data. So whatever is relevant, you can pull the data from that file. That's what is the actual purpose of getting the data. Fine. Now what I'm going to take you through is what is Power Query first of all. It is a tool, it's a free tool from Microsoft for a process, and that process is called as ETL. Okay, extract, transform, and load. Extract is same as import. You get the data from somewhere, then you transform or reshape the data, okay, and that involves all the transformation, cleaning, combining all the data. That's called transform. And load means again give it back to me. Understood? So to complete this process, we use Power Query. Is that clear? So Power Query is a external, I can say, editor. It's an external editor which allows to transform your data. Is that clear? And that transformation takes lots of time and efforts in Excel. It's not like that it cannot be done, but now it's very easy and user friendly. So are you ready to look at the first example